Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Portmore and we're giving you an update on the Portmore Resilience Park. Now this is the massive project straight ahead. It's 26 acres of prime real estate in the heart of Portmore. It's right across from the Portmore Mall. When you enter Portmore from the Portmore Expressway, you have to go around this roundabout to get into Portmore. Now, this development it was supposed to be finished in time for Independence, which was the beginning of August. But as you can see, they're still working on it. Straight ahead, they're going to have an amphitheater, and that will give you a good indication of just how far they've reached. Alright, we're just giving you an update today. Based on what we're looking at, I'm probably thinking they should finish by December of this year. Guys, based on what you're looking at, let us know when you think they'll finish this project. But we'll give you guys updates on the project. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.